Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, after we had a very strong rally yesterday, the market has been in a consolidation zone in the last 24 hours and Doge was not able to hold the 20-cent barrier as a support. But what is really exciting is the Dogecoin trading volume is above the $2.5 billion. Now that is a big number and very happy that we achieved that. On the other end, there are some whales which are selling some big amounts. The open interest is still showing a very positive trend, and at the same time X was not able to get their payment system in Brazil. Now before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people see the positive side of Doge. They decide to talk about Dogecoin. It's going to get the whales excited because the higher social engagement, the whales are going to be going into that coin. The price goes up and all of us make a lot of profit. I just want to say, if I sound a little different, it's because I am a little sick, so just ignore that for today. Now at the same time, first of all, I want to talk to you guys about the trading volume. Now you guys can see that the price has fallen just a little short to $20, and you can see that from last couple of hours it has been trying to get to the $20, but it's been rejected a couple of times. But the trading volume is sitting at 2.5 billion, which today is up 43%. So that should give you perspective how well it is doing. What is really interesting at the same time is if we just talk about the trading volume, it is the 6th most traded crypto in the world, and if we get rid of the USDT, USD and USDC, you can see it is the 3rd most traded crypto in the world after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now if we talk about the market cap on the other end, you can see that we're slowly closing in on XRP. Another, I'd say, a 10% increase from Doge, and the price goes to about 22 to 24 cents. We will be hitting over XRP and USDC at the same time, which I know a lot of you guys will be very happy to see. On the other end, let's talk about this whale. This is one of the reasons why the price is able to not make a decision what direction to take. I know a lot of you guys just want to see an uptrend go crazy. I mean, Doge Day is closing in so soon. Just in 12 days, we will be in Doge Day. Now, this is one of the reasons. So on the same day, which is about 2 days ago, this whale decided to purchase $5, $6, and $7 million worth of Dogecoin, which the total comes to about 18 million. Now, after that, just 4 hours later, they decided to sell $34 million worth of Doge when the price only went up by 0.1 cent or 0.001 cent. So you guys can see that whales like this are actually confusing the market, and if we talk about the open interest, it's still showing a very positive trend, 1.3 billion, and it is up 10% in the last 24 hours. If we talk about the long to the short ratio, you guys can see that slowly the short ratio is starting to creep up, because about just 4 days ago it was 75% to 25%, but now it's about 31 to 69. So you guys can see that slowly the whales are slowly, or even the traders in general, are slowly going towards the short area. Now this does not mean that the price will be dropping, but this will just give you a little bit of perspective. And if we just talk about liquidations, that will give you perspective. 6.6 million liquidation just in the last 24 hours. Now on the other end, I want to talk about this. Now this is going to play a really crucial role to Dogecoin, because Mr. Elon refused to comply with Brazil's Supreme Court orders to censor its people. X will likely lose all its revenue in Brazil. Name me another billionaire willing to risk it all to fight for the freedom of speech. How to support such a man? Pray for him and buy some Dogecoin. Now what's really interesting is, yes, he's gone against the Supreme Court, but how is this going to be affecting Dogecoin? Well, you just need to understand that most likely when X payments will try to get their system up and running in Brazil for other people, there might be some sort of backlash and there might be some problems. But keep in mind, this is really wonderful to see, because Elon's trying to fight the government and he's going to lose a lot of revenue, but he wants to make sure that the people have the freedom to do what they want. Now at the same time, if we talk about the price action, as you can see, we have just been consolidating close to 20 cents. Now every single time 20 cents has been rejected, but just yesterday we did spike above that, and then the sell off actually put us back under it. Just keep in mind right now it's a really crucial state. Breaking over that 20 cents is going to play a very important role in trying to get the Dogecoin price to go explosive. Just keep in mind, if we stay over the 20 cents and are able to use it as a support, well, just the next run up is going to send us to 25 cents in a really short period of time. Now also yesterday I mentioned that the RSI went into an overbought zone, but now it is back in the middle, even though we're still at 20 cents, so there is a little bit of room left to be able to break this strong resistance. On the other end, BB tightening above 50-day EMA, RSI above 50 looks bullish, and this is Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is very bullish right now. Will Doge price surge 25 cents in April? And the chances of that happening is very, very high. Just wait until the 15th of April and you guys will see a huge momentum or huge wave that our boys coming together will be making in the Dogecoin market, because Doge Day will be so close and people want to get Dogecoin price excited. Dogecoin price prediction: can Doge flip XRP? And that chances are actually quite high because Doge Day is so close. If XRP just stays stagnant as it is doing so, Doge will be flipping it. And right now we are well above the Cardano zone. What does that mean? Well, because we are over the Cardano zone, it just simply means that now the altcoin season is going to be huge. Now, 5 best meme coins to buy. What's really interesting is they're talking about Dogecoin first, and which gets me really happy. That's the right word to use. Now, Dogecoin soars as whale moves 200 million Doge from Robinhood to an unknown wallet. Just keep in mind, these whales are going to be very confused. I mean, this is another good example of a whale. You guys can see that this whale yesterday was selling, which was at around 18 cents, then sold at 21 cents. Now today, at the same price, which was about 18 cents, they decided to buy back. So that should just give you perspective how confused the whales are as well. So you shouldn't be shocked. If you are a little bit scared, the best thing to do, as I always say, just turn off your computer and let it ride. Let's just give it some time. We're still in the bull market until end of 2024. There is no such thing as Bitcoin will drop back to 25k. So don't worry. If you're panicking, simply just relax and take your time away from the computer. Here is how much XRP, SHIB, and Doge is being held by Binance. Now, Binance is holding about coming in at 14 billion in net balance. These reserves so pretty much this is just the customer balance. Now, 14 billion net worth is being held by just Binance alone, and you can see that 28 billion is the overall, so half of it is being held by Binance. So that should give you perspective how much power is being held by them. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.